Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw in Poppo using GCash. So let's start. So Poppo Life is an app that it helps you to make lives, and also if you are popular there, where you can start gaining money here. So how you can do it to withdraw the money? First you have to register here, and also you have to have an account on GCash. When you have it, you can register the account there or connect accounts, and then when you start winning money here or earning money here, you can start withdraw the money with your cash account that you connect on this account here. So you can recharge. Also, if you can use it in cash, you can do it without any problem. You can select the amount, etc. So that's how you can do it, guys. If you need more help, also you can contact the support here, and we'll help you to transfer money, or if you have doubts about withdraw the money or something like that, you can do it. Here are the email address that you can contact the support here or the inquirers. So I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.